Hello, today we are looking at a charge cord. It has 3 cords. As you can see, I have 3 different devices all plugged in at the same time, and it shows that it is charging. Shows charging, and the speaker, of course, shows charging too. You just can't see. So it is an Apple product, Samsung, and an Android connection for the speaker. Then it has the USB. I had them all plugged in to the computer. You can also use it for a wall plug-in or a car plug-in too. So it's got that port. I'll unplug. It's the standard Apple for the newer Apples. The Android plug fits most Android. This is the micro USB port, which fits the Samsung Galaxy, what is this? Samsung Galaxy 9 phones. So you can see all 3 fit, all 3 ends on one cord. Here's where they connect. The cord is nice and durable, thick, feels like a nylon rope, so it should last for a while and not have to worry about getting pulled and stuff like that. Well, that's our product for today, and I will have the link in the description. Thank you guys.